How to add a photo to a frame. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the photos in no time on Canva. Once the Canva is open, scroll down to click on Untitled Design. Then go back to the home page and click on the Custom Size button. And tap on Whiteboard from here. After opening the whiteboard, click on Elements. You can use any element from here or search different elements. Like frame, then you can get several options of frames. Choose a frame and adjust it on whiteboard. Then click on Upload from the dashboard. Tap on Upload Files, choose a photo and click to upload the photo in frame. Wait for the photo to get uploaded. Then drag the photo into the frame and adjust the photo size according to the frame. Now adjust the photo into frame size and shape. You can move the frame anywhere on the whiteboard and set the frame at the center. Then click on the three dots to see what you can do with the frame by using such features. After that, click on the Share button and tap on Download to download. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.